Claude Code new update is insane. You've been chained to your desk this whole time. Every time you walk away, your AI session dies. Every time you leave the room, you lose your flow. You come back and have to start over from scratch. That ends today because Claude Code just dropped a feature that changes everything about how you work with AI. And I'm going to break down exactly what it does, how to set it up, and why this is a massive deal for anyone serious about using AI in their workflow. Hey, I'm Ava. I teach people how to actually use AI tools, not just understand them, but implement them in real work. Today, we're talking about the Claude Code remote control update that Anthropic released on February 24th, 2026. So what is it? What is Claude Code is Anthropic's terminal-based agentic coding tool. It runs on your computer, writes code, edits files, uses tools, and works through complex tasks autonomously. Until now, you had to stay at your desk for the whole session. If you stepped away, you either babysit it remotely through clunky SSH setups or just let it sit there waiting. Remote control fixes that. It lets you connect your phone, tablet, or any browser to a Claude Code session already running on your machine. You start a task on your computer, then pick it up from your phone, from the couch, from another room, from anywhere. And here's the important part on security. Your files never leave your machine. Claude Code keeps running locally the entire time. Your file system, MCP servers, tools, and project config all stay on your computer. The phone or browser is just a window into that local session. Only the chat messages and tool results flow through an encrypted connection. This is not like spinning up a cloud environment. Your machine is still the one doing all the work. When I first started using Claude Code, I was completely overwhelmed. What commands to use, when to use sub-agents, which MCP servers are worth your time. That's when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members focused on learning and implementing AI tools together, sharing what actually works. It helped me cut through the noise fast. If you're serious about using AI to improve your skills and workflow, the link is in the description. Now let me walk you through setup. It's genuinely simple. You need to be on a Claude Max plan. Remote control is currently available as a research preview for Max subscribers. Pro plan support is coming soon. Team and enterprise plans don't have access yet. You'll also need to be on Claude version 2.1.52 or later, and you need to have run Claude in your project directory at least once to accept the Workspace Trust dialog. Once you're ready, there are two ways to start. Option 1. Open your terminal, navigate to your project directory, and run the command Claude Remote Control. Your terminal displays a session URL and a QR code. Press spacebar to toggle the QR code on and off. Option 2. If you're already mid-session and want to hand it off, type remote control or just RC. This carries over your entire conversation history. You don't lose context. You just continue from wherever you left off. To connect from another device, you can open the session URL in any browser, scan the QR code in the Claude app, or find the session by name in the session list. Remote sessions show a computer icon with a green dot when online. Everything stays in sync across all connected devices in real time. One thing to know, if your laptop sleeps or your network drops briefly, the session reconnects automatically. But if the terminal closes or you lose connection for more than 10 minutes, the session ends. So your machine needs to stay running. You just don't need to be sitting in front of it. Now the use cases. This is where it gets interesting. Think about any long-running task, refactoring a large code base, batch file operations, multi-step automations. These take time. With remote control, you kick it off at your desk, walk away, and check in from your phone when you need to. You see what Claude has done? Send a message to adjust direction, and it keeps going, while your machine does all the work. Or, if you run Claude Code on a headless server or a second machine, you've probably been dealing with screen sharing and SSH tunnels just to interact with it remotely. Remote control removes that entire setup. You connect directly through the Claude app. Before this shipped, developers were stitching together Tailscale, Termius, Termux, Tmux, and custom WebSocket bridges just to get something close to this experience. And even then, the mobile experience was rough. Terminals aren't built for phones. Remote Control builds a proper interface directly into the Claude app, with all your local tools and MCP servers still available. Now, the limitations, because you need the full picture. Each Claude Code instance supports only one remote session at a time. The terminal process must stay running. The dangerously skip permissions flag doesn't currently work with remote sessions, so you'll need to approve actions as they come up. And since this is a research preview, there are some bugs still being ironed out. None of that changes how significant this is. It's early. The direction is clear. Now, the bigger picture. Remote control isn't just a convenience feature. It's part of a larger shift in how agentic AI fits into real life. Agentic AI only becomes truly useful when it fits naturally into how people move through their day. The best thinking happens on walks, in meetings, between tasks, not while you're sitting at a desk watching a terminal. The ability to keep AI running on your machine and stay in the loop from anywhere starts to close the gap between human workflow and AI execution. Anthropic framed this release around preserving flow state, and that's exactly the right way to think about it. Here's what I'd suggest doing right now. If you're on a Max plan, update to version 2.1.52. Try the OTRC command in your next session and see what it feels like from your phone. There's no better way to understand a feature than to actually use it. If you're on Pro, keep an eye out. Anthropic has confirmed access is coming soon. If you're looking to go deeper on AI tools and actually implement them, check out AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people sharing real experiences, what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time. No hype, just practical guidance from people doing the work. Link in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. That's it. Claude Code Remote Control is live, it's practical, and it's worth your attention. Go try it.